The government of the Republic of Zambia, as chair of Southern African Development Community SADC, organ on politics, defense and security cooperation, is hosting the meeting of the Ministerial Committee of Organ MCO in Lusaka. Sabida mashoko abdaji nyongwa publish on our page, the SADC note for subscribe or like what's on the bell icon. Honorable Haimbe noted the importance of the SADC organ on politics, defense and security cooperation as a platform for collectively developing common policies and strategies aimed at fostering economic and social development in the respective countries and the region. The minister stated that since Zambia's assumption of the chair of the organ, the region had held successful elections in the Kingdom of Eswatini, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the republics of Madagascar, South Africa, and Zimbabwe. Honorable Haimbe expressed confidence that the remaining member states scheduled to hold elections later this year would do so in an equally peaceful manner to ensure political stability in the region. The minister noted that the region remained encouraged by the progress made in the political and security situation in the eastern DRC, Lesotho, and Mozambique, and acknowledged the ongoing peace building process and the need for continued engagement in finding a lasting solution to the challenges. Domas Honomuda publish upon our page our SADC. Do not Iowa SADC, the organ of politics and defense. It would Iowa each amendment a peace member states is such as my upcoming elections. But some of any more to Kudipa Mashoko Awo, noted they are having their session on the 11th and the 12th Kuramzara Nas. To them of any comment section, made some subscribe or like, on the bell icon.